What up everybody, how you guys doing today? Today I'm going to be unboxing, setting up, and doing a demo of the new for 2024 Frankenstein's monster from Home Depot. Alright guys, so I got this on the halfway to Halloween drop. This guy looks absolutely awesome. I can't wait to unbox him. I also got the Darth Vader. He hasn't gotten here yet, but I just got back from my vacation, so I am going to unbox him now. I do want to give you guys a little heads up. You guys can probably already hear it. I do have a mic on, which is great because I can't really project because my voice is absolutely screwed up right now. We did get Superior, our show choir, but my voice is not working because we went to Colonial Williamsburg. We went on a whole trip along with the competition. Alright guys, so the first thing coming out, which is typically the first or last thing, we have the base, which is actually a little smaller than I thought it would have been. This guy is 7 feet tall, so the base is a little small, but still not too bad. Right here we have the hip loop. Right here we have the universal instructions right here. It actually has universal licensing, which is great. Right here we have some of the leg poles. This looks like one of the arms, and then we have some leg foam. Alright guys, so right here we have the head, which I have not taken out yet. I'm going to take it out on y'all's end. There it is. Let's see it. Wow, this thing is so cool. It looks really, really nice. Right here we have one of the other arms, more leg foam. We have the rest of the leg poles, which, yeah, there are a bunch of leg poles and they're pretty big too. Right here we have like the waist area, which does have some supports, which is always good to see. We have one of the boots right here, which is absolutely massive. Wow, that is one boot right there. That's pretty crazy. We have the other boot right here. We have the shoulder frame right here, which is pretty big. It has some wing nuts that we have to take out to put it up there. Right here we have both of his hands, which do have some like blood kind of stains where it kind of cut off, I guess. Right here we have the mechanism and the control box, all of that. This thing does have a lights only feature. The bolts in the neck light up, so there is an option if you just want that. Right here we have the adapter, and right here we have the clothing. I believe these are the pants. Yep. And then the suit is also down here. I heard these clothes aren't exactly the best quality, so hopefully they're not too bad. That is going to conclude the unboxing portion of this video. Now let's get to the setup. Alright guys, this guy is absolutely massive. Let's turn him on. I'm so excited. Here we go. Alright guys, that was Frankenstein. This guy is absolutely awesome. I mean, his pants are a little bit messed up, but I'll fix that. I don't know if I'll keep him in my room. He's pretty huge. This guy is absolutely awesome. For $279, he's absolutely great. The servos look amazing. wow, he just looks incredible in real life. The pictures don't do him justice. He's really tall. Like, I'm 6 foot, and I'm like right here, and he's all the way up there. So it's pretty huge. I will leave a link in the description to buy Frankenstein when he comes back out, if I can find his link again. But yeah, and I will also leave a link in the description to the merch. Other than that, aim high, not low, and never quit. Peace.